Summer is here. The summer spectacular is back and better than ever before at SeaWorld Orlando with an all new drone show, all new live entertainment and now open Expedition Odyssey. So if you want to know what's going on at SeaWorld Orlando this summer, you better stick around for this video. But that's not all, we'll also let you know what's happening at Aquatica Orlando as well. Summer is here and a sea of excitement awaits you at SeaWorld Orlando as the park kicks off its summer spectacular celebration starting in June. A first of its kind at SeaWorld dazzling drone show will light up the night sky as part of the park's signature Ignite fireworks show over SeaWorld's Central Lake. There's also all new live entertainment as well as returning fan favourites, including Bands and Brew barbecue, vibrant parades and delicious summer fare. Plus the park's newest attraction, Expedition Odyssey, the most immersive, multi-sensory Arctic flying theatre experience ever created. And the best thing is, it is now officially open to all guests. Now is the best time to purchase an annual pass and experience all the new thrills and returning favourites all summer long. So let's go into more detail about what you can find at SeaWorld Orlando this summer, starting off with Expedition Odyssey. This is the first of its kind in the world attraction that combines cutting-edge ride technology, breathtaking all real-world footage and close-up encounters with Arctic wildlife to deliver the most immersive multi-sensory Arctic flying theatre experience ever created. As guests disembark from the ride, the breathtaking adventure continues with face-to-face, up-close and personal encounters with real Arctic animals, including beluga whales, seals and walruses. Next we have the all-new first of its kind at SeaWorld drone show, plus Ignite fireworks spectacular, starting in June. End the night with an unforgettable spectacle as hundreds of drones light up the sky in perfect sync, with the electrifying anthem Feeling Electric. As the music pulses through the air, the night sky transforms into an ocean-inspired dreamscape with vibrant waves, glowing sea creatures, and bursts of colour rippling above in a mesmerising aerial display. Just when it seems complete, the drones transition into glowing fireflies, seamlessly leading into the park's signature Ignite fireworks show over SeaWorld's Central Lake. It's more than a finale, it's a sky dancing celebration of the sea like never before. Next we have the all new Hydro Surge, a pulse pounding cirque spectacular where the power of the ocean meets industrial grit. Guests will be swept away by fierce acrobatics, dynamic dancers and a powerhouse drummer in this exhilarating new show at the Nautilus Theatre. Next we have the all new Baby Shark's Big Celebration, June 30th to September the 2nd. To celebrate 10 years of global success, Pinkfong the Baby Shark are making waves at SeaWorld Orlando. Guests can enjoy an all new mini live show, meet and greets, exclusive merchandise, themed treats and more. Next we have a fan favourite, it's Shamu and Crew Parade. Back by popular demand after its debut during SeaWorld's 60th anniversary, this colourful parade features beloved characters including Shamu and Crew in a festive high energy celebration. Next we have another fan favourite, it's Rescue Tales. This inspiring live show at Seaport Theatre highlights the importance of conservation and shares heartwarming stories of real animal rescues. The next fan favourite is Club Sea Glow. The party continues into the night with lights, music and dancing at Bayside Stadium. The next fan favourite is Bands, Brew and Barbecue weekends from July 5th through to August the 24th. Enjoy sizzling barbecue, live music performances and ice cold brews at this craveable event, all surrounded by world-class rides and unforgettable animal presentations. But don't forget, the fun doesn't stop with summer, as you've also got a plethora of events running up to Christmas, starting off with the Halloween Spooktacular on select dates from August the 30th to November the 2nd. You can trick or treat and meet silly Halloween characters during this family-friendly daytime event. Then, if you're feeling brave, you've also got Howlo's Scream on select nights from September the 5th through to November the 1st. A new terror has surfaced and there's nowhere to hide. Howlo's Scream has washed ashore at SeaWorld Orlando, and this time the fear is everywhere. Please bear in mind this is a separately ticketed event, and we'll go into more detail about this event on this channel closer to the time, so remember to hit subscribe. And one of our personal favourite events is SeaWorld's Christmas celebration on select dates from November the 7th 2025 to January the 2nd 2026. This is where holiday traditions are made, with delicious food, stunning live shows, delightful holiday shopping and joyous entertainment. And if you're thinking to visit this event and want to check it out, I'll pop a card right here now. Now just across the road you will find Aquatica Orlando, and summer is heating up, and Aquatica Orlando is the place to cool down with award-winning attractions, family-friendly play zones, relaxing amenities and all new after dark excitement. Recently named Best Wave Pool in America by U.S Today's 10 Best Readers' Choice Awards, and recognised over 4 times as America's best outdoor water park. Aquatica is the ultimate destination for endless summer fun in Central Florida, whether racing the currents of Rowers Rapids by day or glowing through an immersive water park party by night. Aquaglow Aquatica has something for every splash loving guest, with limited time summer events, all new enhancements and year round favourites. There's never been a better time to dive in. So what's new at Aquatica Orlando this summer? Aquatica Orlando is bringing even more fun to every hour of every day, with exciting new limited time experiences that light up the night and start the day with a splash. All new Aquaglow select nights from May the 16th to September the 27th. This is a separately ticketed event. The fan favourite nighttime splash party is back, bigger, brighter and bolder than ever before. On select evenings this summer, Aquaglow transforms Aquatica Orlando into a vibrant after-hours celebration with high-energy music, glowing installations, laser light shows, unlimited soft drinks and low wait times on attractions. New in 2025, guests can drift through the radiant, luminous lane, twist through a kaleidoscope of colours of Tassie's Neon Twist, or ride the neon-lit currents of Rowers Rapids. Amped up, plus the foam party frenzy brings non-stop bubbles and beats under the stars. Guests can elevate their night with early admission, a meal bundle or a glowing private cabana stocked with towels, lockers and chilled bottled water. Then we have the all-new Ultimate Playdate, select days June the 2nd to the 28th. Start the day with early access, fun designed just for little ones. With the Ultimate Playdate, families get exclusive access to Turry's Kids Cove. Before the park officially opens, kids can splash, slide and explore in a playful paradise built just for them, making it the perfect head start to a day full of adventure and memory making. What attractions will you find at Aquatica Orlando? Rowers Rapids, race through a roaring river packed with high tides, geysers and swirling whirls for the ultimate aquatic thrill. Wave pools, choose the vibe with two distinct surf experiences. Cutback Cove offers non-stop action, while Big Surf Shores delivers gentle swells for layback lounging. Torrey's Kid Cove, designed for younger guests, this vibrant area invites kids to splash, slide and play all day. Don't miss Tamariki Twirl, a tube ride size just right for little adventurers. Relax, refresh and refuel. Private cabanas and lounges, whether relaxing near Rowers Rapids or soaking up the sun at the wave pools, guests can reserve shaded spaces for a peaceful personal retreat. Pathway shades and cooling zones, expanded shaded walkways, misting fans and beach umbrellas help guests stay cool through the day. Mango Market, favourites galore on the menu, including sandwiches, speciality wraps and fresh salads, along with loaded fries, chicken tenders and delectable desserts, plus ice cold beer, wine, sangria and assorted Coca-Cola products. Trader Torrey's Tiki Bar, chill out with tropical cocktails or frozen drinks like the Orlando Vice at this laid-back bar with 360-degree views and TVs to catch up on all the action. Aquatica is a vibrant aquatic landscape, splashed with South Sea spirit and dotted with towering colourful slides. Aquatica Orlando delights all ages and interests and is home of some of the world's most thrilling water slides, featuring over 50 slides, rivers and lagoons, and 84,000 square feet of sparkling white sandy beaches. Aquatica isn't all about dashing and splashing though. This lush, laid-back playground is perfect for going with the flow. Wade into lazy rivers and wave pools without waiting in line, and watch cares float away. Or grab a cozy lounge chair on one of Orlando's loveliest beaches and sip a refreshing cocktail. 2 large play areas just for kids make Aquatica the perfect spot for family fun. Aquatica offers exclusive attractions and promises. So this is your summer lineup for SeaWorld Orlando and Aquatica Orlando. And don't forget, the best way to enjoy these events and parks is with an annual pass or fun card. For more details on annual passes and fun cards, head to the website on screen right now. So what's your thoughts and opinions about all these events at SeaWorld Orlando and Aquatica Orlando? Comment down below, as we'd love to hear your thoughts. Please don't forget to smash subscribe if you haven't already, and hit that notification bell and share with your friends and family, as it really helps the channel grow. Want even more Orlando, Florida updates? Don't forget to check out our website that covers everything that's happening here in Orlando, Florida. That's gottagoorlando.com. Now get out there and go and make some memories. And until next time, have an amazing day, and don't forget to check out these 2 videos right here. Bye!